There's just something about the sound of chicken frying that brings joy to the heart. Today, I'm showing you how I make my simple, juicy, no stress fried chicken right in my kitchen. Start by placing your cleaned chicken pieces into a pot. Now, here's where the magic happens. I go in with chopped onions, seasoning cubes, salt, curry, and thyme. You can as well add ginger, garlic, pepper. Just feel free to add your own twist too. I give it a good mix. Massage the flavor in. Every piece has to soak up the goodness. Let those spices do their thing. I covered the pot to let it steam in its own juices. No need to rush this part. Let that flavor marinate as it heats up slowly. After a few minutes, once it had released enough juice, I added a bit of water for proper boiling. Not too much, just enough to cook it through without washing off the taste. Let it heat up properly before frying, and that broth, don't throw it away. That's the soul of any good Nigerian rice dish. When the chicken was done boiling and tender, I set a dry pan on the stove and poured in some vegetable oil. Gently, I placed each chicken piece into the oil. Don't overcrowd the pan, let them fry well and evenly. When the underside turned golden brown, I flipped them over to fry the other side. Patience here is key. We want that perfect crisp. Once they were perfectly fried, I took them out one by one, crispy, golden, and smelling heavenly. You need to be in my kitchen to experience this. And that's it. That's it. Juicy on the inside, crunchy on the outside. My kind of fried chicken. No stress, just flavor. If you love easy homemade meals like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More goodness is on the way from my kitchen to yours. See you in the next one. Bye.